We will now hand over the solved Rubik cube to the principal, Avani principal. He's just going to undo it so Avani can solve it for us. The Rubik's Cube is a 3D mechanical puzzle invented in 1974 by a Hungarian sculptor and professor of architecture, Erno Rubik. Originally called the Magic Cube, the puzzle was licensed by Rubik to be sold by Ideal Toys in 1980 and won the German Game of the Year Special Award for Best Puzzle that year. As of January 2009, 350 million cubes have sold worldwide, making it the world's top-selling puzzle game. It is widely considered to be the world's best-selling toy.
She's getting
When we were trying to unsolve the puzzle, Rubik actually broke. So, mother's got an emergency one
good,
more
good,
and
good.
you can watch the program, then she will solve it and give it to you.
Yes,
all
yes.
Right?